Hello everyone, today we're going to do the unpacking of the RhoC soil density and moisture meter. Came all the way from the Netherlands and Holland. We're going to show you what's inside, so when you purchase your system and it gets delivered, this is exactly what you'll receive, a very ruggedized Pelican case and with everything that you need to operate the system. So we're going to open it up and just go over all the items in there. So first and foremost, you'll see the RhoC, the MS RhoC. Very light. It's a very light system. Again, soil, moisture, and bulk density. Right here is the cesium iodide detector and all the components that will allow you to do bulk and soil density. All right, after that, you're gonna get the plastic base plate. So the plastic base plate to attach, to include it in here. And then you can tighten this up, and depending on the depth that you want to keep going, you can tighten it and then it'll be stable once you're surveying. So you'd be like this, and then you stabilize it. Next on your list is going to be your specifically chosen auger to drill holes before you begin your analysis. So this will come with the system. Do your holes in here, and then after that, you get your hammer. So with this, for this hammer, you'll be able to make your holes for when you want to do your analysis, right? Next on our unpacking list is the smartphone. So this system is all operated via the smartphone. So come with the smartphone. All the software is already pre-installed, so you're good to go on that. Everything that you need to operate the system will be in there with a ruggedized case, and then with the phone holder. So the phone holder will simply attach to the system here, and then you'll be able to operate the RhoC via the smartphone. And then the power cables for you to charge your RhoC. These are your charging cables. This is the Limo. And then lastly, you'll have your GPS stubby. You'll have the GPS, and then that, again, you'll be able to connect right here, your GPS. So pretty straightforward, extremely lightweight system. It's been used in Europe for many years now. For the first time ever, we're going to be having it here in the US. So any questions, any additional information you might need, let us know. But the RhoC is now available here in the US for you and your colleagues. Thank you.